Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo flush rail base roof rack system for the 2015 through 2022 and likely beyond Lexus RX with factory installed flush side rails. This system comprises of 3 components, starting with the Evo flush rail foot pack set of 4 and the Wingbar Evo load bars set of 2, available in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these molded rubber base pads and 4 sets of these rubberized metal side rail brackets, and also 4 of these fasteners. Okay, these parts here have numbers that are associated to them, which correspond to numbers that are shown in the instruction sheet to help in guiding you to the correct placement on each of the individual feet. So this is one of the Evo flush rail feet. I'll go ahead and take off the outer cover here. And with that outer cover removed, you can see you have this threaded post. Now, the parts of the fitting kit not only have numbers, but they also have letters to guide in the correct order of installation. So for starters, we have the letter A, and that letter A part will be installed first, right in the innermost part of the foot. And then letter B will be the base pad, and that just presses to the underside of the foot. And C will be this outer part of the clamp. And then you have your fastener that just threads and holds all those pieces in place. Now it's time to install the foot onto the bar, and here we have the Wingbar Evo load bar. Now we've cut this one down so that you can actually see the extruded box beam construction. There is this dedicated track that is designed to allow for installation of track compatible accessories, and those parts can be installed within this track without cutting the rubber, to provide a very clean, integrated method of attachment of certain carriers and accessories. So I'll go ahead and take off this end cap, and here you see the underbar slot where the foot will be installed. Within this slot, you see you have a measuring device with numbers. Now there are no numbers that are assigned for the individual placement of the feet in the instruction sheet. That is a manual step. You can use these numbers or measuring tape to do that. But to install the foot, we just slide that into place. And then at this stage, we want to go ahead and put the end cap back on. Now the end cap will stop that loose foot from sliding off the end of the bar while you're maneuvering this onto the vehicle and positioning it. Okay, so the next step is you would set this onto your side rail, center up your bars, and begin tightening, generally 50% on one side and then 50% on the opposite side. And when you get to the complete tightness, this tool, which is included with the feet, has a unique handle which will click once it's reached its full tightness. And as you are tightening, it's not only tightening to your flush side rail, but the foot is also tightening to the bar simultaneously. So I'll go ahead and get that all the way tight. You'll hear the click. Okay. Now you see there is some exposed slot there on the underside of the bar. We want to fill that in with rubber that's included with the load bars. That rubber is just cut to measure to fill in that space, and that'll help maintain good aerodynamic performance on the underside of the bar. Now we can go ahead and return that outer cover into place with a click, and just give that plastic plug there a quarter turn, and that'll hold that cover in place. However, you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a metal lock cylinder. This is a Thule one-key system lock cylinder, which is sold in sets of 4 so that you can lock up all 4 of your towers, which will provide an effective theft deterrent for your roof rack system. Now you can also purchase these lock cylinders in larger sets that are matched, so that you can not only have your roof rack locked on one key, but you can also have your accessories and carriers that are part of Thule's one key system all locked up with convenient one key access. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo flush rail base roof rack system for the Lexus RX with factory installed flush side rails. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. Also, if you have any questions or comments about this system, feel free to leave those down below. And we also have our website, which will have more details about the system. If you'd like, please like and subscribe. Our YouTube channel has over 2,000 rack-related videos. Thanks for watching.